Hello everyone, welcome back to Meng Design. I'm MengChi, and today we are exploring the tone paper effect. I've always loved how a simple tier can add so much depth and character to a clean and modern layout. So today I wanted to see if we can recreate that look right inside Figma. And the best part is, there's no plugin involved. Before we jump in, grab the starter file from the link below so you can follow along step by step. You'll see complex results can be broken down into clear steps. The design inspiration is from this shot I found here, credit link right here. Alright, here's what we will be building. The left side will look like a tone sheet revealing part of the image underneath. First, download the paper strip pack from the resource board. I put the download link here, and I also included a few in the starter file, so you can skip that download step. Next, take one of the strips and a rectangle to mark out the left side of the frame. Try leaving a bit of space for the white tone edge we will add later, so some distance from the midline will be good. Since that red paper will reveal some of the image underneath, let's extend the right side image slightly so it covers the tone area. That way the reveal feels natural. Then, let's create the white tone strip. Start with an off-white rectangle to cover the tone section, and use another paper strip as a mask. Play around with the scale, angle, and even flip the strip until it looks organic. You want it to feel imperfect in a good way. Now, to enhance focus, let's add subtle depth. Drop in a few blur circles underneath the white strips, around 200 blur and 20% black fill. Stack a few to your liking. It's a small touch that adds dimension. Paper layers always cast soft shadows, so let's give them a gentle one. Apply a 10% shadow with full blur to both the left frame and the strips. And make sure to check show behind transparent areas. Otherwise, it will look a bit off. Finally, texture. Grab a paper texture layer, and this one is from Unsplash. Place it onto the left frame beneath your text, and also over the right image. Skip the white strip. The texture belongs to the paper's surface, not the tone middle. And there we go, from flat and polished to something that feels tactile and layered. This is how you can add a handcrafted touch into your next final project. If this video helped you bring more life and story into your design, give it a like and share it with your design buddy. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. There are more effects coming that will help your work feel as good as it looks. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.